Hi guys! Welcome back to Accounting is Easy PH. Previously, we have discussed the topic what is finance. In this video, we will be tackling all about jobs in finance. Next to healthcare, jobs in finance have been growing faster than any other area. Finance prepares students for jobs in banking, investments, insurance, corporations, and the government. Accounting students needs to know finance, marketing, management, and human resources. They also need to understand finance for it affects decisions in all those areas. For example, marketing people propose advertising programs, but those programs are examined by finance people to judge the effects of the advertising on the firm's profitability. So, to be effective in marketing, one needs to have a basic knowledge of finance. The same hold for management indeed. Most important management decisions are evaluated in terms of their effects on the firm's value. This is called value based management, and it is the in today. It is also worth noting that finance is important to individuals regardless of their jobs. Some years ago, most businesses provided pensions to their employees, so managing one's personal investments was not critically important. That is no longer true. Most firms today provided what is called defined contribution pension plans, where each year the company puts a specified amount of money into an account that belongs to the employee. The employee must decide how those funds are to be invested, how much should be divided among stocks, bonds, or money funds, and how risky the stocks and bonds should be. These decisions have a major effect on people's life, and the concept covered in this video can improve decision making skills. According to Bentley University, the following are the 12 interesting jobs in finance. Number 1, investment banker. An investment bank works with individuals and organizations to help raise capital by selling bonds or equity. You could have a specialized role or advise many different clients on a variety of opportunities. Number 2, financial analyst. Working for a company or nonprofit rather than a bank, financial analysts help decision makers determine investment strategies for their organization. Financial analysis is a skill that offers lots of potential for job opportunities. In a recent analysis of labor market data by the Bentley University, this skill had the second highest number of job openings in the finance industry. Number 3, Chief Financial Officer or the CFO. CFOs lead and manage the overall financial dealings of companies, tracking profit and loss, then strategizing how to make the company more profitable are the main tasks of CFOs. Management experience is needed to direct staff on how to maximize the finances of the company, which may include various departments or divisions. Number 4, Finance Director. Companies that don't have a CFO as a title separate from the Chief Executive Officer or the CEO may instead have a finance director to help the CEO manage financial operations of the company. Strategic planning, mergers and acquisition, forecasting, budgeting, and financial modeling are expected skills for this job. You could also work for a bank or the government. Finance directors and controllers are sometimes combined into one role, but they have different responsibilities. Controller. A controller or chief accounting officer is responsible for directing a company's accounting practices. Controllers have many responsibilities, including the development of profit and loss statements, balance sheets, and financial prospectuses. They also prepare reports that predict the financial performance of the organization. Number 6, accountant. Accountants are charged with managing and interpreting financial statements. Depending on your specific career, interests, and skills, you may want to focus on one of the following specialties: forensic accounting, managerial accounting, public accounting, internal auditing, or government accounting. Accounting is actually a great skill for anyone to have, no matter your job title is. In the previously mentioned market analysis, accounting abilities offered some of the highest salaries in finance and the most number of job openings. Number 7, financial examiner. If you are interested in the ethical component of business, a financial examiner could be a good fit. They are tasked with checking a company is compliant with laws and regulations governing financial and securities institutions and financial and real estate transactions. Number 8, securities, commodities, and financial services sales agents. This type of role combines a job in sales with a finance background. These agents work with buyers and sellers in the financial markets to sell securities, counsel companies, and handle trades. Number 9, portfolio manager. By far, the most common career path for people with a CFA is a portfolio manager. According to the CFA Institute 22% of people who pass the exam end up in this field. Portfolio managers often work at investment management firms and oversee a fund or group of funds, making investment decisions and tracking trends. Number 10, trader. Traders work closely with portfolio managers, buying and selling securities based on their requests. 11, stockbroker. Like traders, brokers buy and sell securities. Rather than working with a portfolio manager, however, most brokers operate on behalf of a client. Number 12, personal financial advisor. Prefer working with individuals rather than companies. This role requires a thorough knowledge of taxes, investments, how to plan financial goals, and etc. Many of these jobs have a lot of flexibility in terms of industry. Yes, a finance student can run right to a Wall Street and have a great career, but they can also have great careers at non-profits, startups, the government, and etc. Take time to figure out what makes the most sense for you and your goal in finance.
At sinong nagsabing mahirap ang accounting? Mag-subscribe na sa aming YouTube page na Accounting is Easy PH at mag-like ka na rin sa aming Facebook page na Accounting is Easy PH. This is your Coach Ken signing off.